MCent Browser, a mobile browser that pays you for surfing the web and interacting with its content. Hi guys, in this video, I'll be telling you about MCent Browser and how you can use it to earn money. So let's get into it. So over here, when you open up MCent Browser, this is how it looks like. And first things first, what you need to do is you need to sign up. You have to enter in your mobile number, as when you use the MCent Browser, it will help you recharge your mobile. So it'll give you credits that you can use to, call, message, text, whatever. And over here, these are the countries that MCent Browser is available in. So we have Brazil, India, Indonesia, Mexico, Nigeria, Philippines, South Africa, and United States. So all you have to do is just select the number, sign up, and start using the application, and you can earn money. Like, for example, if we come over here, you will see it says right here, what is MCent? Is a recharge browser and a special mobile browser that enables you to earn and redeem points for data top-up. So right here is their application. You can download it as well, and you can use it to charge your mobile data. So very simple, quick little app for you if you are low on data and you just don't want to pay for it. Quick extra credits. This will allow you to get it. So make sure you download the MCent browser and use it and get your data up.